The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts the largest display ever in an iPhone at 6.9 inches as well as the longest tested battery life of any iPhone yet. We also appreciate the camera upgrades and camera control button, but Apple Intelligence lacks that wow feature for now and the charging speed could use a boost. There is some big questions that kept nagging me as I was testing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Does the larger screen make it compelling or too big? Is the new camera control a game changer or a gimmick? How well do the Apple Intelligence features actually work? If the iPhone 16 Pro Max has the best iPhone battery life ever, how long does it last? After testing this flagship phone for several days, I'd say that it is indeed a handful, and while I am encouraged by some of the Apple Intelligence features I tested in a beta that's arriving next month, more AI capabilities will be coming later. Still, the battery life from the iPhone 16 Pro Max is insane and the camera's predictably great, so this is one of the best phones money can buy. Apple clearly still has some catching up to do with AI and the design hasn't changed much with the exception of slightly slimmer bezels. But this is the new iPhone I'd buy with my money. The ginormous 6.9-inch iPhone 16 Pro Max starts at $1,199 US with 256 GB of storage and goes on sale September 20. You can upgrade to 512 GB for $200 more and another $200 will get you 1 TB. The iPhone 16 Pro Max gets a bunch of camera upgrades, starting with a new 48-megapixel fusion camera for the main shooter that's designed to read data faster. The result should be zero shutter lag and faster focus. I took some shots of people passing by on scooters and moving taxis at the same time on the iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the new iPhone was indeed faster. The results were not necessarily sharper too, as you can see in this side-by-side comparison. Here are some camera samples of iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is indeed an iterative upgrade, and maybe it wouldn't feel that way if Apple Intelligence was available today along with all the promised features. Instead, it's going to trickle out over time, so I would not to be in a rush to upgrade. Having said that, I think that iPhone 16 Pro Max is the best phone money can buy right now if you want the biggest screen and longest battery life. It lags in zoom versus the S24 Ultra, but you get more endurance, better camera quality, and plenty of creative features like photographic styles and audio mix. I actually preferred the AI capabilities of the Pixel 9 Pro XL series with its smarter Gemini Live voice assistant and other features like Add Me for photos and Pixel screenshots. But the Pixel's performance and battery life trail the iPhone 16 Pro Max. For me, the iPhone 16 Pro Max retains its title as the best phone, but it's not because of Apple intelligence.